Alright. Good evening, guys. So I promised I'm gonna make a video on affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna do that now. So don't mind what's on the screen, please. So there's a free one strategy. Now there are lots and lots of strategies on free traffic, but one of them is what I'm gonna be showing you guys. Now, as you can see, this is some links that I got from my ClickBank. Now I want to sound this as a warning. I'm trying to reduce the way I promote ClickBank stuff, because ClickBank is mad. They will just ban you and then you lose all your money as you've worked hard for, and that is what I'm suffering from now. So I want to focus more on other affiliate networks, other affiliate sources like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. The only thing there is that Warrior Plus and JVZoo, they tend to focus more on make money online niche, you understand? So that is just the only thing there. The reason why I was focusing on health niche is because the number of people doing it they are kind of limited, you understand? They are few. So all of them is the same. The strategy works for every affiliate network or every stuff, except for Expertnaire. Expertnaire is Nigerian. So I'm talking about tier 1 guys now, right? Talking about tier 1 guys, that is guys that are in foreign countries, not Nigerians. Okay, so let us get started. So first of all, you need to get yourself a PDF. You need to get yourself a PDF. You can go to freeplrdownloads.com and you can download the PDF from there. Just to search the niche that you want to download for. Let's say you want to search for carb cycling, free carb cycling, description introducing carb cycling. Now, this kind of carb cycling, now you can use a product like Carbofix yourself. Carbofix is about carb. Now this is Carbofix affiliate. Let me see. This default LP, default sales page. So let me see what Carbofix is about. So you can use a site like Carbofix that talks about metabolism and carbs, like this one, carb cycling. Alright, now you can look for other ones. You can just search them by category too, or you can just search them by typing the niche, you understand? Make money online, they are make money network marketing. So many different options here that you can actually follow. There is 7 tips to declutter yourself. Now these things, look for them, or you can use IDPLR. Let me see, IDPLR. You can use IDPLR too. Now this is the Carbofix I'm talking about, and this is it's how to turn on your metabolism in 3 seconds. Now this works in any niche at all, guys. It doesn't have to be health. It can be make money online. Now this is IDPLR. You can see there are also different PLR books that you can download there. Now what you're looking for is not software. What you're looking for is not video courses. What you're looking for is ebook, PDF. That's what you want, PDF. Alright, so you register on this website, register for free, and you look for a very, very, very good PDF and you download. Alright, you download it. Same goes for here. It's very easy. You just click on it. Let's say this is the one you want, successful weight loss. You click on it and it's going to load. As you can see, it has 40 pages. You understand? Then you click on download and that's it. Alright, so I don't want to download any of this, so I'm going to show you a different way of getting PDF that you can actually use for this particular strategy. So if you don't want to download it from this PLR websites, you can get the domain. Alright, you can get the domain. Now we can get the website. Now you can turn the sales page of that affiliate product into a PDF file. Now as you can see, this is Carbofix. I've used this one before. Now what you're looking for is you're looking for a sales page that is long. As you can see, this one is very long. Look at where it starts from to down here. You're looking for a very long sales page. That is what you want. Alright, that is what you're looking for. That has a lot of content, it has a lot of images on this top. You're not looking for a VL cell now. VL cell means video sales letter. You're not looking for a VL cell now. You're looking for a sales page. A sales page without fee. If there's videos, no problem. So far as the sales page is long, you know, some of those ClickBank VSL, there will be one video. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Like this one now, Okinawa Flat Belly. You see that there is only just one. You see that there's only just one. There's only one video, and then that's it. You understand what I'm trying to talk about? Now, after this video, there's nothing again. So this is not what you're looking for. Turning this into a PDF is going to be a waste of time. Alright. Now it's something like this that I want to turn to a PDF. Now this is another affiliate product that I'm promoting. This is ProfileMate. Alright. As you can see, it is very long. Now ProfileMate has a video on it, but it is very long. Now there's another video here. Now this is what I am actually talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Alright. So when you get your sales page of your affiliate product and you find out that it's very long, so let us use ProfileMate now. What you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called web2pdfconvert.com, web2pdfconvert.com, or you can search it if you can get it, web2pdfconvert.com. It's going to bring up something like this, web2 numeric value, web2pdf. Then you copy the URL of the domain. Now this is the URL of ProfileMate. Paste it inside here, and then you click on what? Convert. Now it's going to convert that sales page into a PDF for you, and now this is what you are looking for. This is your aim, this is your goal, this is what you want. Alright, so let us wait for it to convert. Now it has converted it. Now let us download it. Download ProfileMate. 94 megabytes. Alright, let it download, and then we'll continue. Let me pause this thing. If I beat it out wearing a Johnny Adiola, wanna roll with the geese. Is it me on the left or sweetheart? Actually, I don't give it. Alright, so sorry, I was just enjoying the music. So it's gonna come up now. As you can see, this is our PDF ProfileMate. Now it has converted that sales page into a PDF for us. As you can see, it's very nice, looking awesome. This is amazing. Alright, now this is a 12-page PDF, and now we'll need to share this PDF to make sales. Okay, now how we're going to do it, we are going to be adding our affiliate links now into this PDF. Alright, we're going to be adding our affiliate link into this PDF. Now let me see. So for us to do that, we need to go to a website called, now we'll finish with Web2 PDF Converter. Let us go to SageDar. Let me go quick so you see. This is SageDar, SEJD down. So you go to SageDar.com. I didn't want to just go to SageDar.com because you might not get the link, the URL. So I hope this is recording. Alright, so you click on SageDar, help with PDF task, and then SageDar is going to load. When SageDar loads, now we're going to upload this document. Alright, we need to upload this document. Say edit a document, it is free. So we're going to click on there, we're going to upload file. We're going to be putting this file as ProfileMate, and this is the one. As you can see, the PDF has loaded. So what you want to do now, you want to get your affiliate link. Let's say this is our affiliate link now. So I'll copy it. That's our affiliate link. So we want to put our affiliate link here. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to put our affiliate link first in this this what you need to look for areas that look like call to action and put your affiliate link there. Alright, so one of them is going to be something like this. As you can see, this video it has a play button on it, so people would like to click on it to play the video. So you click on links. When you click on link, then you come here, you highlight this whole video option, and then you delete this, you put your link there, click on enter. As you can see, your link has been added. You see, when you move, you see the link above. Now you look for other parts that looks like call to action, and put your link there. As you can see, watch demo. Okay, there's another video, this thing here. So watch demo. So I'm putting, I hope I didn't mess up anything. Alright, so as you can see, link has been added. Look for another part that has call to action. Another part that has call to action. Alright, yeah, this is another one. Yes, you can see it has a link to Chevy. So as you can see, it already has a link. Now Web to PDF added this link for us. Alright, now if this is not your link, you have to edit this. Click on it and remove this link, but it is my link, so I'm gonna leave it. And then let me see, that's all. As you can see, there's buy now here, so I'm adding this link to buy now. Alright, so now if in situations like this, if you can't find any option to put your link, you can go here and add a text, or you can add an image that say click here to learn more, or click here to learn more, or something like that. You get now, and then you put your link there. Or you can just go above after the first 2 pages, and then you insert page. Sorry, after the first 2 pages, and then you insert page. This is final replace. Let me see. And then you insert page, and okay, look at the insert page here. So when you insert page, you push it down, and then that's it. Look at it, insert page. Let's say after the first 2 pages, you click on insert page, and it's going to insert a new page for you, and then you put your image here and say they should what, click here to learn more, or click here to get this product, or any course or action of your choice. Alright, so I'm okay with this. So I'm going to click on apply changes, and then I'm going to download this PDF back. Alright, see, it is downloading it back now. So this is profile mate. Let me see the one with 2. Let me just remove all this and leave the profile in it. Alright, so it is downloaded now. So after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to go to sites, PDF sharing sites, and then you upload those PDF there. Alright, that is why it's called free. You go to sites like Seju and all those ones, and then you upload it there. But I don't have time for that, so I'll go to SEO Clerk, and then at SEO Clerk you sign in. Okay, so you sign in on SEO Clerk. I've followed you. These guys are just following me. Okay, so you come here and then you search PDF. When you search PDF, you're gonna see okay, so I'll manually do PDF submission, and this is what we are looking for. I'll manually PDF submission. I'll do manually PDF submission to 50 sites. Now these are costly. You want to look for one that is like $1. So I'll manually do 600 PDF submission, 31 low spam. So these are what you are looking for. Right? So this one have a rating of what, 119. So this is what I believe I've used this guy before, Top Link SEO. Let me see. Yeah, I've favorited it, so I've used him before. Look for those $1 services. Has high review, high rating, and they say they'll manually submit your stuff for you. Alright, you search for them and then you go. So this is something like this. Try to submit your books to Scribd, Docs, DocStock, SlideShare, Dropbox, Google Drive, ForSync, Egdo, Mega. Now these ones are, some of them doesn't really make sense. They're just normal cloud server. You get the point now. Sorry. So let me check my favorite. I believe I have. So this is the guy that I said I favorited. Now this is still him. Okay, so it's another person. Their profile image looks the same. Now this is another one. Now all these services are the ones that I've used before. Okay, now so upload on top sites like Isu, SlideShare, Calamel, Scribe. Now this particular guy, you should look for him. This one is good because this one uploads on top sharing site, as you can see. Isu, Calamel, Scribe. Now if you search Isu, you will see that Isu is not just any house site, as in these sites are really popular sites. Now you can do this yourself. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay anybody to do it yourself. But you see that there are so many books and monthly page views, 1.1 billion plus monthly page views. Now you can check this on similarweb.com and you see that, and you see that this is not just trash. This is not just trash. Similarweb.com, as you can see, they are ranking 1,908 in the United States, and you can see bounce rate, pages per visit, monthly visits. Then you can see 47 million visits every month to this website. You get now. So there are lots and lots. So now when you do you have to save your work with a catchy title and description. All right, and you give it to these guys, and then these guys will post it for you on all these PDF sharing websites, and then you see that you start getting traffic from there. So this is free traffic, semi-free traffic, because you're spending just $1. Now this is $1 stuff, so it's still free, and you can still do it yourself, so it is free, and they'll post it to you for you all the sites, and then you get this traffic coming. Now this might take time, or it might be fast for you. You might not even see sales from it, depending on how your PDF and all that kind of stuff, depending on if you put your links into them and all that. So I believe this has helped you. I believe this is going to help you try and do this. If I see how the response is from this particular video, I will think about making more videos. Alright, it is already almost 12 a.m. here. I'm going to be signing out. Alright, and also guys, some persons are actually messaging me to teach them affiliate marketing with everything I know about affiliate marketing and all those kind of stuff. Now I try to avoid this thing, because affiliate marketing is, if you have money, it's going to be more better for you, because you're going to run advert. You're going to run Google advert. Also, I don't do Facebook advert for now for affiliate marketing, especially tier 1. Adebin is affiliate marketing for Nigerians, and that one is a different ball game. We are talking about Expatnia, that's a different ball game. But we are talking about Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Chevizu. All those things are a different ball games together. You need to have money for this, or you need to focus on you need to have time for free traffic. Alright, so I'm going to be ending this video here. It's already too long already. So guys, take care. See you. I'll make a new video next time. See you guys later.